Hi everyone, today I'll show you a cool homemade craft. To make it, we need 2 bolts, drills of different sizes and a connecting screw nut. First, we mark the center on each edge of the nut. We outline the holes with a core. Here is such a blank is obtained. We insert a thin drill bit for metal into the drill and fix the workpiece in a vise. Now we drill holes on each side of the nut. Now take a slightly larger diameter drill and increase one of the holes. Take an even larger drill and enlarge the hole next to the one that was enlarged earlier. Take the largest of the prepared drill bits and increase the hole by retreating 2 edges from the first enlarged one. Sand all the edges of the nut to get rid of burrs. Round off the ends of the 2 bolts on the grinding machine. Now screw them in from the opposite sides of the nut. In the largest hole of the nut, insert the stud and clamp it with bolts on both sides. We will clamp the rusty nut in a vise and screw the pin into it. As you can see, the thread on the nut is free of rust. We will try out our device on bolt studs of different sizes. Now let's check how the device will cope with the role of a screwdriver. Tighten the screwdriver and screw a small bolt into the wooden bar. Let's try to make a hexagon key from the device and screw the screw into a wooden bar. Insert a feather drill into the device and make a hole in the bar. Now fix the spiral drill and also try it on the bar. So we have a universal handle that is useful in many situations. If you are interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.